Welcome back again, guys. As my friend requested, I'm gonna start another section with full form of JavaScript. So, okay, guys, let's start some glance about this video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about Java variables, operators, data types, control statements, and the types. A variable is a container which holds a value while the Java program is executed. A variable is assigned with a data types. Variable is a name of memory locations. There are three types of variables in Java: local, instance, and static. Local variable. A variable declared inside the body of the memory method is called local variable. You can use the variables within the method, and the other than methods in the class are not even aware that the variable exists. A local variable cannot be defined with static keyword. A variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method is called instance of variable. It is not declared as static. A variable that is declared as static is called a static variable. It cannot be local. You can create a single copy of the static variable and share it among all the instances of the class. Data types. Data types specify the different sizes and value that can be stored in the variable. There are two types of data types in Java: primitive and non-primitive. The primitive data types include boolean, char, byte, short, int, float, etc. or long. Non-primitive data types includes class, interfaces, and arrays, strings, string builders, etc. So data types can be used for declaring a variable, whether it is a character or an integer or a float number or a class or interface or array or string builders. You can use it. Without data types, we cannot be use a variable or store a data in any coding language. Operators. Here operators means the function which made by two operands is known as operations. There are some types of operations: unary operator, arithmetic operator, shift operator, relationary operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator, and assignment operators. Here we Here for loop we can see public class main, public static void main, strings and args. In I we have declared in front of in one step. We can also declare in the for loop in I equal to 0, then I less than or greater than 10, and I plus plus. Then we can take system.outprint.ln. I am using here some statement with star or bullet with hello world. Let's run the program. Here see, we can have all the 10 types of hello world in the program. The for loop is used more efficiently for these uses. We have to type these 1 to 10 numbers or 1 to 100 numbers, then we cannot use it as manual. By using for loop we can declare, otherwise we can have 100 here. Let's run it. It will show up to 100. See, 100 times of hello world. By this we can easily list out the names of the serial numbers with low effects. Similarly, while loop and do while loop are same. We can use some syntax will be changed. I will show you in a format. Let's see it. Let's see here. Coming to do while loop, we can have some difference between while and for and do while loop. Here we have to ensure the or initial with I equal to 0 in the declarations, and do we having a keyword do and a parenthesis. Here we have to write a condition: system.output.println star of hello world, and we are declaring some increment function and having condition is I less than 100. So let's print here. I'm taking this off here, from here. Let's print it. See here, it is having same as for loop, but initializing, conditioning and incrementing are different, are done in a separate steps. Coming to while loop, we have to just give here I equal to, I'm typing while condition. I 100. I'm copying this and paste here, and I'm removing these files. Now we can run while loop. Same. I'm coming to while loop. It is somewhat shorter than do while loop and similar to do while loop, but we can easily use for loop rather than do while and while loops. So I prefer for loop for you in coming to looping statements. Next, coming to jump statements. Here jump statement, in it we have break statement and continue statements. Break statement, where we want to, in a long method of code, we can have to break some number. I want to have up to 90 numbers. So while using for loops and while loops, we can give a break statement coming here. See guys, here we having a break statement. Similarly, we have continue statement. Continue and the break has a small differences. Break means up to 5. I'm having up to 5 terms it will break, and continue means it will skip one term and re-continue the loop. Now we have successfully completed the operators, variables, data types and control statements. Thank you for listening. If you like means please subscribe and have a like to my video.